G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's meat pie review time again, and here I am back at Pie Pie. I remember coming here last time. I had the Danny Dorito pie. I tell you what, it was really good. So I thought I'd come back to Pie Pie and try another one of theirs, the classic meat pie. I'm pretty sure this one's going to be just as good, if not better. But let's find out. Let's go get one. You little ripper, here we go, the Pie Pie. Today I got the Baker's Original with a side of mac and cheese. Let's suss it out. All right, yes. Oh, mate, have a look at that. It looks so good. Woo-wee. So today I got the Baker's Original. So this pie is filled with chunky porterhouse steak, 24-hour pulled brisket, and roast root veggies in a rich gravy topped with roasted veggies. Oh man. And that pie costs $8. And for a side today, I thought I'd get a Lux mac and cheese with bacon. Oh mate, that costs $4.50 for that. Let's see if we can have a bit of a peek inside. See what's in there. Oh, look at that rich gravy. Oh man. Look at that. Look at those veggies in there. Beautiful, rich looking gravy. Oh, and look at that meat. Oh, mate. And the smell coming out of this is just so good. Look at these little roast carrots they got. Let's try this pastry, by the way. I'm sure it's good. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That is so tasty. That is really nice, that pastry. And some of these chunks of meat inside. Well, here's one here. It's pretty big. Nice and solid. I wonder how tender it is. Oh wow. Wow. That really just tastes like a delicious homemade stew. Oh, that's good. Oh. Oh wow, that's so nice. The gravy is so rich. Wow. And look at that crust on here. It looks so nicely cooked. And cooked all the way through too, and it's pretty solid as well. Enough of the talking and more eating, Grego. Oh wow. Gee. That is so rich and so meaty inside. It's got super strong flavors, like a real beautiful stew. I think I can taste some rosemary in there and all the vegetables that it's been cooked with. That gravy, man, that's so nice. It's nice and thick too.
That's what she said.
Wow. The veggies are falling off. But here's some of the brisket here. Have a look. It's just huge bits of meat in here. Oh, and it's so tender. Oh wow. It just melts in your mouth. Oh, that's good. Talk about gourmet. Have a look at that. Look at those big chunks of onion I can see in there. Oh, wow. That gravy's so good. Such a classic flavour. It's not that classic meat pie flavour though. It's more the stew flavour that I was saying. But tell you what, if you like a pretty exotic and over-the-top pie, mate, this is a great one. And the chunks of meat, mate, there's so many big chunks of meat in this. I've had less than half and I've had 4 big chunks, which for a chunky pie, that's pretty good. What's this potato like? Potato-y. Come at me, carbs. No. Oh, that's good. But there was something I wanted to try. This mac and cheese. Deluxe mac and cheese with bacon. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh. Oh, mate. Straight away, I just get all this cheese flavour on there. Really nice mac and cheese. It tastes like several cheeses in there, actually. I can't really taste the bacon, though. Maybe I can with this bite. Oh, man, that's good. I reckon I could just go a whole thing of mac and cheese on its own. It tastes so good. Oh, it's creamy. Anyway, I wonder what score I'd give this out of 10. Value-wise, together it's $12.50. And, well, I tell you what, it's a pretty substantial feed. It might not look like much, but mate, that pie is really big and there's enough mac and cheese there to satisfy me. In fact, I do want some more of it. Flavour-wise, well, the pie here, it's not a classic meat pie taste. It's got a very stewy sort of taste about it. But it's a really nice stew, man. The big chunks of meat in there and the veggies. You can see the onion and the veggies inside as well as the ones on top. And the pastry's really nice. And, oh, dude, the flavour of that's really great. And that mac and cheese, wow, that is so tasty. It's really creamy and so well cooked. And, oh, it just tastes so nice. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this. Pie. Lunch with the extra side of the mac and cheese. I'm giving it a 9.8989898 out of 10. The flavours in this are so nice and so tasty, and well, the only reason I sort of took some points off then was, well, I mean, that is a little bit to pay for that mac and cheese, and maybe the meat pie, I would have liked a bit more of a meat pie flavour, but obviously that's not what they were going for, but still, it's close enough to 10. It's a really nice pie. It tastes delicious, and I'll tell you what, if you're ever around Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast, whip on into Pie and try some of their pies. I tell you what, I've had them before, and they are really top-notch. I really enjoy coming here for a pie, and if you do decide to come here, make sure you tell them Greg sent you. I'm pretty sure they're going to have a clue. And a big thank you to all these people that do come to try these food places out that I review. It really does help them out and helps the small businesses stay afloat, especially in today's climate. So thank you very much for all those people that do come and try out the food that I review. I really appreciate it, and so do the business owners as well. Anyway, I'm pretty close to the beach here. I might head on down and sit on the dunes and watch the waves roll in. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review a pie. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg